Last year, I checked out the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights E22. Since then, my family and I have absolutely loved using it. That's why, when they reached out to me, wanting me to check out their newest version, the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights S4, it was a no-brainer, especially with features like a motion sensor that can track your movement and light up individual lights as you or someone else walks past. And it can also bring joy to my boy like this.
Whoa.
In case you're not familiar, these are permanent smart outdoor lights that handle holidays, everyday ambience, and security in one relatively easy to install package, depending on your home, of course. In this video, we'll unbox the lights, do a quick walkthrough of the setup process, dive into the app, show you the standout features, and do a brief comparison to competitors like Govee, Philips Hue, Jellyfish style systems, and the cheaper Amazon kits that you might have seen floating around recently. Finally, I'll go over if you should buy these lights, who they're actually for, and if they'll fit into a fully Eufy smart home ecosystem. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into the unboxing and setup. Inside the box, you get the lights, power adapter, controller, extension cables, the radar motion sensor, male and female splicers, three-way connectors, position cards, silicone sealant, cable ties, and of course a quick start guide. Eufy also includes tons of mounting hardware, giving you multiple ways and flexibility to hang these lights. As for installation, due to the height of my home and the lack of trust that my wife has in me to be on a ladder, I had to get someone to come out and install the lights. The installation involved removing the previous Eufy lights that I had installed, installing the new ones, and he did an excellent job at a relatively affordable rate and was finished in under a half day. If you're in the Central Florida area, I highly recommend them, and we'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. For those with a single-story home or a more trusting partner, the installation could easily be done in a day's work. Especially since the instructions are pretty straightforward. My only advice is to make sure that you can easily access the controller after the install, as you'll need it when syncing the lights to the Eufy app. Also, the sensor needs to be synced separately from the lights, so make sure you can access it as well. The process involves pressing and holding the button on the back of the sensor. Once it's connected to your Wi-Fi and you can see it inside the app, let's check out what you can do with these lights, because there's a ton.
So right here is the main interface, but I can also check out my security camera footage, I can check out my lights, I can check out any care items I might have, such as a baby monitor or other cameras around the house that aren't necessarily security cameras. And then of course I have my favorites right here, which include my door lock. But if I go back to the lights and then tap on the Permanent Outdoor Lights S4, this is the main page you're greeted with. We have an AI light chat. And all I have to do is just simply type in a command and hit generate, and it will generate whatever it is that I type. Let me give you a quick example. If I type in something like snowfall on a Christmas day, this is what it's going to project. And then if I type in something spooky like horror movie on Halloween, this is what it's going to project. So this is definitely pretty cool, but if we back out of the AI chat and then go under scene, this is where you're gonna find all of your scenes. So we have our favorites, and then under daily are going to be the more neutral colors that you can use every single day, such as white, warm white, and cool white. But then these are all the new ones that were just added, such as daylight white, glided glow, W strobe, blue and white strobe, red and blue strobes, and then red and blue strobes too. These are all more like security lights. So as someone walks up and it detects motion using that motion sensor, these are all going to be set off. Under follow are all the follow lights or follow scenes. So as you walk past, these lights are going to light up and basically follow the person that is detected in the motion sensor. These are really cool. And I have the Christmas one set up right now. Under holiday, we have all of our holiday lights or event lights, such as New Year's Day, New Year's Day 2, New Year's Day 3, Carnival, President's Day, and the list just goes on and on. We even have several Christmas ones for this time of year. Under nature, we have more subtle ones, I guess you would say, but more nature-like, such as like candlelight, solar serenity, firefly. And again, the list just goes on and on. There are so many. And then under moods, we have different mood lighting effects, such as romantic, quiet, happy, soothing, leisure, warm, dawn light, sunset glow, fireplace warmth. I mean, there are so many different ones that you can choose from. If we scroll over, we have culture. These are going to be more, I guess, culture-like. So we have like Boxing Day, golf, clover for St. Patrick's Day, basketball. So if you're watching a basketball game, you can turn that on. Rugby 2. I mean, again, the list just goes on and on. So tons of different lighting effects in here. And then under personal, you can actually dial in your own and you can select each bulb individually. Really cool. And then we have our reactive lights, which are going to react to music. Basically, the microphone on your phone is going to pick up the sounds. Okay, so to give you an example of music sync or the music mode inside of the Eufy app, I have it pulled up right here. I'm going to go ahead and start music flow. And then I'm going to select my sensitivity. I'm going to select my color scheme and then the dynamic effect. And then I'm going to go ahead and play some music. So let's give it a try. Then we have our brightness settings up at the top. We have our power on and off button, so you can easily toggle these lights on and off. If you want to schedule these lights, you can go into the settings and then go under schedule, and then you can schedule different effects. And then you can go under customize, and here's where you can add specific dates or days of the week that you want specific lighting effects to take place. All you have to do is tap on the plus symbol and then start creating your schedule. If you back out of here, you also have Matter support with these lights. So these are going to work with pretty much every smart home platform out there, including Apple HomeKit. All you have to do is connect it to your hub that supports Matter. Then we have general settings. So this is going to give you a breakdown of the Wi-Fi network that they're connected to. You can toggle on and off the radar status LED. We also have a mounting guide in here and then installation space. You could also check the firmware. These do get routine firmware updates. Even my old ones were still getting updates to this day, which is really cool. So Eufy definitely supports their permanent outdoor lights. That's great to see. If we back up. And last but not least, we have our motion control settings. These are the motion sensor settings. One thing I want to add is when you're setting these lights up and installing them, you do have to calibrate the sensor. So this does have to be at a specific angle in order for it to detect the motion properly. So you can see right now mine is at 32 degrees, but these are the angles that it needs to be positioned between 30 and 45 degrees. You have a mounting guide right here that will give you a little bit more information on that. You can see the last calibration angle was 37 degrees. When I was making the video, I went out there and messed with it a little bit. So if I go back, you can dial in the sensitivity, and you can also set up follow flow if you want to use that follow scene that I was talking about earlier. You could also calibrate it, by the way, down here. It says calibration. So if we back up, last but not least, we have our radar activity log, which will give you a breakdown of how often the radar was triggered. I don't have mine enabled. You have to enable it within the user experience program. I'll probably enable it later, but right now I don't really care. It's just really fun to use. But that's pretty much it. The app is very straightforward. All the settings are very easy to find. And if you ever need help or you have some questions, you can always tap on this little book at the top, and it will take you to this website where you can look up user guides and things like that. So I love the Eufy app. I've been using Eufy products for a while now, and I highly recommend them.
Like I said, there's a lot that you can do with the Yuthi S4 permanent outdoor lights, but how do they stand up against the competition? Let's have a look. But first, we need to talk about how the S4 compares against the E22.
When comparing the Eufy S4 to the E22, there are several main benefits here. First of all, we have RGB WWIC LEDs with high brightness and tight spacing for smooth ball wash. The benefit of having RGB WWIC LEDs is the fact that it supports 16-bit color depth, and it can render up to 281 trillion colors. This is far beyond standard 8-bit depth with only 16 million colors. On top of that, we have the 3D radar motion sensor with detection up to 40 feet, and you can go inside the app and manually select detection zones and segment effects. Now, when comparing the Eufy S4 against the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights Pro, the S4 has the built-in 3D radar motion sensor that I just mentioned. It can also track people and trigger security style scenes, whereas Govee is mainly about decorative scenes and music sync. The Eufy S4 also offers a deeper local style smart home integration and a stronger security angle, while Govee tends to be more cloud and decor core focused. When comparing the Eufy S4 against the Philips Hue outdoor lights, the S4 is purpose-built for fascia and eaves with integrated mounting hardware and higher brightness wall wash. Hue is great for ambiance, but less optimized for roofline coverage and security lighting. The S4 also adds the radar-based motion sensor and direct security-style behaviors, while Hue usually relies on separation motion sensors and focuses more on mood lighting than perimeter security. When comparing the Eufy S4 to Jellyfish-style Pro systems, the S4 is DIY-friendly with off-the-shelf kits and app setup, avoiding Pro install cost and complex custom controllers typical of Jellyfish-style systems. You still get advanced effects, high brightness, and year-round durability, but with simpler management and a unified app that ties into cameras and doorbells. Lastly, when you look at the Eufy S4 against the Amazon RGB-IC Eve lights, the S4 offers higher build quality, strong weather resistance since they're rated at IP67, tighter LED spacing, and consistently higher brightness. They're designed as a multi-year permanent solution instead of disposable seasonal sets. The smart features go far beyond basic app colors and canned effects. With the Eufy S4, you get motion-aware behavior, better automations, ecosystem integration, and more reliable long-term support.
As someone that's used and loved the previous Eufy E22 permanent outdoor lights, I can honestly say the S4 model is a great upgrade. If you haven't used either model, let me give you a few benefits to using them and why you might want to consider grabbing a set for yourself. First are the everyday benefits that really add to the look of your home, making it look a little bit more luxurious. This includes things like the set it and forget it white scenes, which range from cool to warm. You could use this for lighting pathways at night, welcome home lighting effects, which can now be tied to the motion sensor, or you can simply schedule the effect inside the app. Second, which is perfect for this time of year, are the season and event benefits. You can instantly dial in perfect lighting for holidays, parties, and more without having to rehang lights. To take things even further, you can have music reactive modes for large family gatherings and parties. Kids absolutely love this. Third are the security benefits. You can set up motion-triggered wash lighting that can deter intruders and visually confirm camera activity, making the lights feel more like they're part of your security system and not just for decoration. Alright, so let's wrap up this video. The Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights S4 are a great addition to any home, whether you have a smart home already or you're building one currently. They add a great elegant look to your home, they give you tons of custom controls, and kids absolutely love these. So if you have kids, they're really going to enjoy going out there and playing with the different lighting effects that you could set up. If you're into holiday lighting, these are also a great benefit. They go with all of your festival lighting that you might already have, and you can dial in special effects that you really might not be able to get from standard Christmas lights or other holiday lights. These lights are always on sale, so I'm not going to give you direct pricing in this video, but if you're interested in learning more or current pricing, you can find links in the description as well as the pinned comment. So let me know your thoughts on the Eufy Permanent Outdoor Lights S4. Sound off down below in the comment section. Do you already have a set of these? Do you plan on picking some up for yourself? I love hearing from you guys. Outside of that, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.